Hey everybody, here I am with my new video which was extremely requested by most of you. Like, people wanted to know the process I followed for filtering my videos, my VMs, and the app I used for it. So basically the one you see on the screen right now, called as Alight Motion, is the one I have been using. And basically Alight Motion doesn't filters the video, rather it colors it. That's why the presets we use aren't called as filters, rather we call them as Alight Motion coloring. What I believe is that filtering the video just takes away its aura, but just in case we use the Alight Motion coloring, it just glorifies the video more, and the originality of the video also remains. So that's why I would suggest you to use Alight Motion colorings only. Do watch the video till the end, because at the end I'll be giving you something which you really need. Before starting the video, I would just tell you that Alight Motion doesn't has previously created colorings, rather we have to arrange them ourselves, or we can also make them ourselves. But as a beginner, I don't guess we would be able to make them as beautifully as other people or the professional people make. But just in case you have an Instagram or you have a fan page or something like that, there are certain helping pages on Instagram which provide filters and colorings literally for free. So that's where I get my filters from. The colorings are basically provided as XML files, and we have to export them to the Alight Motion app from our Google Drive ourselves. So this is how our project gets imported. Such an interface appears once we open the app. In the project which we've just imported lies here in the project section. We simply have to tap on it to open it. Now once we open the exported project, it looks something like this. And for adding the video we have to color, we'll just simply click on this plus sign and on this image and video option. This will just show us all the recent videos and images of us. Here you simply have to select the video you wish to color, and then it appears on the screen like this, just for a preview. We can preview it over here if we wish to, and then click on the plus sign over here. Now as you can see that our video has been imported. Now the number of layers we see on the left hand side of the screen, these three, it varies every time. So now we just have to preview them and check which one has the coloring. So this one didn't pop any message. Now when we click on this one, it pops a message something like this. So whichever layer pops this message, we'll simply get to know through it that this is the layer which has the effect we want. So we'll click on this effect section over here, and then the three dots over here, and then simply click on copy effects. Now we'll select our video, our layer, and then again click on effects and on the three dots again, and simply click on paste effects. Now I hope you can see the difference. The layer has been copied successfully. Well, it's sometimes glitchy when we have to preview, but when we'll export it, it simply do it in the best quality. Now the coloring has been added to our video and it's completely ready to be exported. Now I'll just tell you how to export it. For exporting, the option you see next to the setting option is used. We'll simply click on it and then it shows the option. Then we'll simply click on this video one, and then our video will be exported. But there is an exception again. After we export our video, there comes a big Alight Motion watermark on the video, and just like other apps as well. Well, just in case you don't want the big Alight Motion watermark, you'll have to buy the premium version of Alight Motion through the Play Store. Well, I know I wasn't really good at explaining, but if this video helped you or you still have any query, do let me know in the comments below.